Nice to meet you, Prabjit. I have heard a lot of success story of your hard work. I am very impressed with your profession and skills. That's why I choose you. I want to hire you for negotiation with the seller as an agent for the 20 acre of land deal.
Okay, please can you tell me something about yourself so I can get idea about your work and professional background?
All right, that's fine. I am working in real estate for the last several years. I used to purchase the undeveloped areas, and my team have converted the areas into residential and business purposes for earning profits.
Okay, nice. How can I help you, sir?
Hello, my
मच्छर
name.
दे देना
अभी
अह,
एक मिनट रुको एक मिनट। अभी ना ये जो तुम दोनों ने पहले मैं सोच रही थी तो कि हम सब लोग अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे, लाइक जैसे तुमने दिया वैसे प्रभजोत देगी, वैसे मैं दूंगी, फिर अजय, और ताकि सबको पहले पता चल जाए कि किसका क्या रोल है। प्रोफेसर को थोड़ा आइडिया आ जाएगा हमारे वीडियो से पहले से ही कि किसका कौन क्या रोल प्ले कर रहा है।
ओके ठीक है, पहले
तो
सारे
हम
ठीक है।
पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे। हरप्रीत तुम पहले आप सब अपना अपना रोल बताओ, फिर हरप्रीत फिर से स्टार्ट करेगा, फिर बात करेगा प्रभजोत से।
सिंपली यही एक लाइन में बहुत है, आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले रोल ऑफ
Yeah, that's fine. हाँ, सिर्फ 2 लाइन बोलोगे, I'm playing to I'm going to play this role and I have experience, that's all.
ओके
okay.
Okay, चलो स्टार्ट करो अभी।
Yeah, hello everyone, I'm Happy Singh. Today I'm going to play the role of the buyer.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम प्रभजीत कौर। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले द रोल ऑफ ए बायर एजेंट।
Hi, I'm
Hello.
Khushi Patel. I'm seller agent as well as I'm in the business from last 20 years. अजय और नौबिन तुम्हारी बारी है।
और नोबिन बोल रहा है, उसकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
पर आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही है?
माइक ऑन करा है?
उसको बोलो।
भाई कौन है इसका?
Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Kumar and I'm going to play role of sailor.
बट अभी नौबिन का मुझे उसकी आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही, तो मैं कैसे मुझे पता चलेगा?
मेरे को भी नोबिन की आवाज नहीं आ रही।
माइक नोबिन माइक ऑफ ऑन करो एक बार।
नीचे उसको अनम्यूट करे।
उसको बोलो अनम्यूट करे।
अनम्यूट है लेकिन आवाज नहीं आ रही।
ये सुनाई दे रहे?
अभी आ रही।
बिल्कुल दे रहा भाई, अभी भी आ रहा।
ओके, अभी रुको। सब 1 मिनट। पहले बोलेगा प्रभजोत, उसके सॉरी पहले बोलेगा हरप्रीत, प्रभजोत, खुशी, अजय। दैट्स फाइन।
ओके,
लेट्स स्टार्ट।
ओके।
दोबारा स्टार्ट करें?
या तुमसे।
Yeah. Hello everyone, I am Happy Singh. Today I am going to play the role of the buyer.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम प्रभजीत कौर। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले द रोल ऑफ बायर एजेंट।
Hello everyone, I'm Khushi Patel. I'm a seller agent as well as I'm in the business from last 20 years.
Hi, Mohammad Asadujaman Nobin. I'm playing the role of seller of the property.
Hello everyone, my name is Ajay and I'm going to play role of seller.
Alright, firstly, I am going to arrange the meeting with my agent for purchasing 20 acres land. अब
एक गल दसो, जे इदा स्टार्ट करनी है तो फिर एंड ते कौन बोलूगा? मतलब कि जब हमारी नेगोशिएशन ओवर हो जाएगी है ना, तो हम एंडिंग कैसे करेंगे?
एंडिंग
कैसे करेंगे ना?
एंडिंग तो बातों में ही कर देंगे ना कि लाइक ओके फाइन, ये प्राइस पे हम कंफर्म है सारे, हम डील है हमारी फिक्स।
हाँ, फिर वो लास्ट में मैंने पूछेंगे आर यू कंफर्टेबल एंड आर यू एग्री टू
मैं तुमसे मैं बायर एजेंट से बोलूंगी कि लाइक दिस इज माय लास्ट प्राइस। मैंने सेलर से बात कर दी, आई टॉक विद माय सेलर, सो $23,000 दैट्स माय लास्ट प्राइस, सो टॉक विद योर बायर दैट्स ही कैन अफोर्ड इट और नॉट, दैट्स फाइन। और फिर वो तुमसे आके बात करेगी कि लाइक सेलर से बात कर दी, ये सब लास्ट है, तो ऐसे हम कंप्लीट।
हमने डील 20 में कर दिया ना डन।
करनी है डील 20,000। ओके,
मैं 28 बोलूंगा और नोबिन कितना बोलेगा?
नहीं 23, अजय बोलेगा 20
मैं
5
हम
और नोबिन 23।
प्राइस पे एग्री कर देंगे ना तो नेगोशिएशन हो जाएगा।
हाँ थोड़ा ना
मैं
पहले थोड़ी ज्यादा प्राइस डालेंगे और फिर कम करेंगे ताकि नेगोशिएशन हो।
हाँ 28 है ना ज्यादा
प्राइस
मतलब।
अपने पहले ही दस दो, फिर बाद में मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाऊंगी कितने मैं 20 कुछ हो रही ना बोल दूँ।
ओके पहले
मेरा तो लिखा हुआ है 23,000 लास्ट है।
मेरा भी 23,000 लिखा है कि मैंने भी कि 23,000 लास्ट पे।
नोबिन दा या अच्छा ठीक है 23 नोबिन दा, फिर अजय दा हो गया 25।
हाँ दैट्स फाइन ओके।
लास्ट अपन 20,000 से डील रन करा।
प्राइस पे करना है बाद में।
बट लास्ट डील कब कितने में है? 20,000 में।
मिठा पाना बोल किसी
नोबिल के फिर से बात चलेगी।
नेगोशिएट करेंगे ना, आप 23 कहोगे, मैं बोलूंगा भी नहीं इससे थोड़ा सा कम करो, मेरा बजट जो है इतना अलाउ नहीं करेगा, जब मैं इतने लॉस बियर नहीं कर सकता।
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, वो अजय का और मेरा प्रॉपर्टी एक ही है या फिर अलग अलग?
अलग अलग है तुम दोनों की, अलग अलग ही होगी ना ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि दो अलग अलग सेलर है।
तो दो बंदे एक साथ बेचने निकलेंगे?
स्टार्ट करिए।
इसीलिए तो प्रॉब्लम हो गई कि दोनों ने सेलर का रोल लिया है।
ओके चलो ठीक है।
भाई ये कैसे करते हैं, सेम प्रॉपर्टी है ठीक है, प्राइस अलग अलग बताएंगे, बाद में सेम प्राइस पे एग्री कर देंगे लास्ट में। ये 23 पे का दो नेगोशिएशन हो जाएगी।
ओके
है ना।
चलो
अच्छा देखा है तो
लास्ट में 20 पे एग्री कर दोगे या फिर?
हाँ 9/20 पे एग्री कर देना।
ओके
और
फाइन,
फिर
लास्ट 20 पे अग्री कर देंगे हम लोग।
20 पे
या
ओके। कितना लॉस है यार।
यार हमारी जस्ट डिस्कशन करनी है, हमने कौन सा ये
हाँ,
यार मैं तो बोल रही हूँ कि ना हम ना अपना अपना मैं अपना अपना पूरा भाषण दे दो, तो अपना पूरा भाषण दे दो, ये नौबिन अपना पूरा भाषण दे, हम खत्म करें।
चलो ठीक है
हाँ,
स्टार्ट
हाँ,
करते हैं।
कैसे 10% है?
चलो स्टार्ट करिए।
वो भी भाषण देखा ही है બુડ વાળી બટ એમને વધારે પાછળ દેખાય છે તું. ઓકે ફાઇન. ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट.
स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करना है पूरा
नहीं
रियल
नहीं
बनोगे कौन सा?
ठीक है फाइन,
वैसे
स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करो. अभी प्लीज अभी तुम बोलोगे, इसके बाद प्रभजोत स्टार्ट कर देगी, तुम दोनों का कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. ओके
तो बाद
इंट्रो
में
से स्टार्ट नहीं करना, इंट्रो से स्टार्ट नहीं करना.
हाँ इंट्रो से स्टार्ट
पहले
करेंगे,
intro.
पर उसके बाद जब हरप्रीत फिर से सबके इंट्रो के बाद जब हरप्रीत बोलेगा तब प्रभजोत तुम भी उसके साथ बात करने लग जाऊंगी.
ठीक है डन.
तो उसके बाद खुशी
हाँ
मैं बोलूंगा, फिर आप हमारी दोनों की बात होगी।
हाँ फिर अजय तुम बोलोगे, फिर हम दोनों बात करेंगे. अजय और नौबिन तुम दोनों अपना अपना बताओगे और फिर हम बात करेंगे.
ठीक है ओके स्टार्ट.
ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट.
एक मिनट भाई, एक मिनट.
और सुनो, जब ये प्रभजोत और मेरी बात खत्म होगी ना कि लाइक ठीक है मैं सेलर से बात कर लेती हूँ और फिर ना मैं तुम्हें इन्फॉर्म करती हूँ, ऐसे मैं बोलूँगी. उसके बाद अजय बोलोगे, ठीक है? कि मेरे पास एक बायर आया है, मेरे इसकी ये डील है, पर मुझे अपनी प्रॉपर्टी बेचनी है और जो भी तुमने अपना लिखा हुआ है
ओके
तुम बोलोगे. और नौबिन भी बोलेगा तुम्हारे बाद तुरंत. जब से तुम चुप हो जाओगे तुरंत ही नौबिन अपना स्टार्ट करेगा. नौबिन अपना माइक चेक कर लेना, तुम्हें तुरंत बोलना है और मुझे आवाज सुनाई देनी चाहिए.
अगर 1-2 मिनट का पाउज भी हो गया तो कोई इशू नहीं है उसमें, पैनिक ना होना ना, उसको वो खराब करना.
1-2 मिनट
पाउज
का नहीं, 1-2 सेकंड का.
मतलब मिनट का भी हो गया, मतलब कुछ सोचना पड़ गया, जहाँ कुछ फाइल ढूंढनी पड़ेगी, जहाँ
हाँ
कुछ लॉस्ट
और
हो गया,
बस ना अपना
उसमें ये नहीं सब कुछ खराब कर देना.
कोई बात नहीं, अगर कोई पॉज हो जाएगा तो मैं स्टार्ट कर दूंगी अपना.
ठीक है
ताकि हमारी वीडियो थोड़ी अच्छी लग जाएगी. चलो अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं.
चलो कि कनाडा चाहिए कुछ करना आना चाहिए.
यार की गंद खाना है.
मेरे तो 10:30 हो गए, 11 बजे मुझे निकलना है जल्दी.
चलो स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ.
रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो खुशी?
हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है मैं ना
Hello everyone, I am Harpreet Singh. Today I am going to play the role of the buyer.
Hello everyone, I am Prabjit Kaur. Today I'm going to play the role of a buyer agent.
Hi, I'm Khushi Patel. I'm the seller agent as well as I'm in the business from last 20 years.
Hi, I am Mohammad Asadujaman Nobin. I'm playing the role of seller of the property.
Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Kumar and I'm going to play a role of land seller.
Alright, firstly I am going to arrange a meeting with agent for purchasing 20 acres of land.
I am Prabjit Kaur, working as a real estate agent for the last 15 years. I am proper certified as a real estate buyer agent and dealing in property appraisal. From the last 5 years, I have started to work as a both property dealing and development project for appraisal and commercials and retails purpose. I have good reputation in the negotiation world.
Okay, that's great. Nice to meet you, Prabjit. I have heard a lot of success story of your hard work. I am very impressed with your professional skills. That's why I want to hire you for negotiation with the seller and the seller agent for the 20 acres of the land deal.
Please, can you tell me something about yourself so I can get idea about your work and professional background?
All right. I am working in real estate for the last several years. I used to purchase undeveloped areas, and my team has converted this area into residential and business purposes for earning profits.
Okay, nice. How can I help you, sir?
Uh, now I want to purchase 20 acres of land, which is located near to the market. I know I know that this land is using for farming purposes by a family, but I want to purchase this land, so that's why I am hiring you.
Okay, I got it. How much you want to spend on this project as well as any conditions so I can easily translate all the information to the seller agent.
Yeah, the one thing is clear that I want to purchase this land, but I am not depressed to purchase this land at any cost. I can purchase this land based on the current value, that is near about 20,000 per acre.
Okay, I understood your opinion. Now I am going to arrange a meeting with the seller agent. After doing this, I will inform you.
All right, that's fine. Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, Khushi. I am Prabjit Kaur, work as a buyer agent, and I am here to inform you that I have a buyer for the 20-acre land near to the market. Customer want to purchase this agricultural land based on current value, then turn into the commercial to gain profit. Due to the lesser interest rate nowadays, buyer has interest to purchase this land. So do you have any seller for this land? So I want to arrange a meeting with you so I can easily negotiate with the seller.
Hi Prabjot, nice to meet you. As you know that I have a 20 years experience in this field and even I born and raised in Barry. So I have a sufficient knowledge about this city. I'm also a member of local Rotary Club and Chamber of the Commerce. So I have two sellers and they both want to sell their land. So first I have to talk with them and then I will inform you that what I can do for you.
Okay, that's fine.
Hi, good morning, Khushi. Great, Khushi. You were helping on this in my bad time. It's not actually my problem only. Whole world are suffering this pandemic situation, but all over the globe will be fit and nice someday. As you know, my retirement time is upcoming, and but as far I know, price of these lands are 30,000 max $30,000 max per acre. So uh, so buyer bid and your proposal are not very tight or not very flexible. I know it's difficult to raise the price because customer have intention to get a tasty pie PSO with minimum price. Uh, Please ask him. My offer is $25,000 per acre. If he is not agreeing, with my proposal. Takes some time to discuss and convince him, but you proposed offer your proposed offer $23,000 will be final if he don't want to bargain. That's my last price.
Okay, I got it. So for I have to talk with Ajay. So because he also want to sell his land. So then we will inform that we will decide that what we can do.
All right. Thank you, Kushay.
Hello, Gushi. As I told you, I have land 20 acres. So I want to sell this land. And this land has been used for the farming over the 100 years. And we still are using for farming. But due to some conditions, we want to sell this. So uh, this land expected value is 30,000 per acre. So but I'm expecting is 28,000. Uh, so as it is a valuable land for the in futures, because my cousin he told me that the land value of land increase in future. So yeah, I'm getting 28,000.
Okay, so as a seller agent, I was a part of many charitable project and which was operated by local community. So am I familiar about this town? So I can help you to sell your land in your expecting price, and that also a genuine person to feel free to approach me or ask me any question. And now I get it that we both are trying to say, and what's the requirement and what's the terms and conditions. So as you mentioned, sir, that you came to know about the one potential buyer just outside the Berry City, and you came in touch with that person through one agent, and that person wants to represent a quotation for your land through an agent. So I understand your scenario. The person who wants to buy your land is doing this business from last 100 years, and he is the head of the family, and he wants that his son carry on this farming business. However, in recent days, his son doing master degree. So, and after like he's doing PhD in specialized in hybrid research. So now I get it that you want to sell your land in 25,000 around, and I have one more seller that Nobins wants to sell his land around $23,000. Okay, fine. So I have to discuss with a buyer agent, and then I will inform you that what we can do. Thank you.
Thank you.
I talk with both the seller, and one seller wants to sell around 23,000, and one other one is around $25,000. So talk with your buyer that he's okay with that, or he wants to negotiate more.
Okay, fine. I am going to discuss with my buyer. So I will inform you which you offer is like the most.
Because personally, I know this land is much more than the buyer price, because in this future expansions of Berry, the cost of this land will increase drastically. So as long as I have knowledge about this field, the speed in which city developing in last 10 years in the industrial area and residential area, it will increase the price of land. So it could be around $20,000 to 30,000 per acre. So as a seller agent, I would like to quote this land in $23,000, as this land plays a very crucial part in upcoming 10 years, because the which Berry City is developing from last 10 years. So definitely the land price will increase in the future. So I would like to think you about this quotation, because it will beneficial for both sides. Because if you retire in future and your son don't want to continue your family business, so you can sell this land, and at a time you will receive handsome amount of money. So you can talk with your buyer that this is a best deal. So let's talk with your buyer first, and let me know.
Okay, give me some time, then I will inform you.
Sure.
Hello, Harpreet.
Hello.
As Khushi informed me that there are two sellers. First one is Ajay, who want to sell his land at the price of $25,000 per acre. Second one is Nobin, who agreed to sell his land at $23,000. Now it up to you, which offer do you like the most?
All right, it's really appreciable, but as you know, it is very difficult for me to pay more than $20,000 per acre, because I cannot handle the stress of carrying cost, taxes, interest, and debit. As you know, so you have to negotiate with the seller and seller agent, and fix the deal is about to 20,000 of per acre. I can't bear this loss.
But the seller want to sell his land at 23,000 per dollar.
Uh, I'm not comfortable with that deal. Please negotiate something for with this so that we can deal.
Okay, then I will arrange a meeting with the seller agent. Then I will inform you what can I do for you.
Yeah, thank you so much. I know you can do it well. So
Okay, give me some time. Hello, Khushi.
Hi, Harpreet. Did you talk with your buyer?
Yes, but my buyer don't want to pay more price for this land because he think it is out of pocket.
Yes, I can understand.
So
But,
now,
as you know, that a seller wants to sell this land on around $25,000, but just for you, I fixed on $23,000.
he mentioned that he don't want to handle carry cost and interest on that. So nowadays interest rate is low, but in future definitely it goes up. So it is very hard for my buyer to pay interest rate. So he want to purchase this land only $20,000.
Okay, that's fine. Let's talk to my seller and let's. I have to. I need some time.
Okay. After negotiation with the seller, then you have to inform me.
Yep, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Ajay and Nobin. I would like to inform you that buyer wants this land just for $20,000. I know that as you told me that $23,000 is your last price, but as per buyer requirement, he wants on $20,000. So you, if we can afford it.
Okay, Kushi, the thing is, you are the agent for this land selling, property selling. So you have to focus in the uh, great criterias of this land, what he will do in the future, what is the price in the future for this land. You know
Look,
what
we
I
can
mean?
afford it in $8,000 as well, but
Yeah.
after profit and all, it's 20,000. It's not that much bad. So think about it that it's good for you or not. Because I have one more agent, I have one more seller, so I have to talk with him as well.
Okay. So all right. In this case, I'll reduce one more $1,000 for him. So because he's gonna be owner of this land, and it will get him profit, make him profitable in future. So it's a long-term investment. So he should be think about it.
Yeah,
I
I
know.
understand.
For his owner, I reduce $1,000 per acre. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. I understand what you're trying to say. Okay, I have to talk with Ajay and then I will let you know.
Sure, please.
Hello, Kushi. Yeah. As I heard about the deal, uh, as you know, I save some money for my retirement, and I also want to. Yeah, I think I can reduce the value of land. That is a 21 acre, 21,000 per acre. So yeah, I think this will be a good deal for both.
So,
You should talk to a buyer and let me know.
okay, so you are ready to sell your land at or like on $20,000. That's fine, all right?
No, 21,000.
21,000, but buyer wants on 20,000. So can you please do 1,000 less for him? And it's a profit for both. It's not like we are not selling in loss. We don't have so if you can.
Yeah, okay. So I'm ready to sell it in
Okay.
20.
Okay, thank you so much. I will inform the buyer agent, and then she will inform to the buyer. Then we will fix the $20,000, and then we will discuss terms and conditions and anything else if you want to discuss more about your land. And so I have to talk first buyer agent, then I will inform you.
Okay.
Hi Prabhjot, I talked with my buyer, and one wants to sell his land $21,000 and one is ready to sell $20,000. So it is good for you that because your buyer wants in $20,000. So one seller Ajay Kumar, he wants to sell on $20,000. So arrange meeting with your buyer and fix everything.
Okay. Give me some time, then I will let you know.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, Harpreet.
Hello, Prabjit.
Seller agent informed me that one seller agreed to sell his land at $20,000.
All right.
Now, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very much comfortable in that deal because, as you know, there is also a budget on construction and the documentation on that because it turns into agriculture into residential. So there is much expenses on that also. So it is very comfortable and according to my budget to purchase this land according to the $20,000. So I'm going to done with that deal. So you have to inform the seller agent and done the deal with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Khushi.
Hi Prabhjot.
I talked with my buyer, and he agreed to purchase this land at 20,000 per acre. You have to arrange a meeting with seller because he ready to purchase his land.
Okay, that's fine. I will inform to my seller. So everything is done now, and we all are ready to sell on $20,000. So now this in our next meeting we'll discuss more terms about terms and conditions. And if your buyer have any more questions or so we both can talk each other. So let's end our meeting here. Because we all are ready to sell and we all negotiate at $20,000. That's fine?
Fine.
Okay. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.